everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 16 Pro not turning on. So don't worry, I will show you some easy simple steps to fix it. So the first step is you have to tap the side button and volume up button together until the Apple logo appears on your iPhone. As you can see, mine is turning on. So this is as simple as that. And if your iPhone is still not opening, just try multiple times, because first attempts maybe you didn't press the buttons correctly. You just have to tap both buttons and hold them together. And if you're still facing the problem, then the next step is you have to connect your iPhone to a charger. You have to connect your iPhone to a charger, and this will solve your problem. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.